Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andrres and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my M1 Finance investing account. This is my dividend investing portfolio. So my 6 months of investing in M1 Finance is completed, and I'm here to give you guys an update. So before I start, I'm just going to let you guys know that since last month, my holding has changed a lot. I've been working on minimizing my portfolio this past few weeks, and last month, my last video, I had 48 holdings. Now I only have 22 holdings. I'm minimizing my account and hope that this portfolio will perform better, and it's been showing some good results this past few weeks. Also, before I start going through my slices of my pie, I'm gonna let you guys know that I deposited $1,000 in the month of June. So for you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my moneymaker, my dividend investing portfolio. So last month, it used to be 85% stocks, 10% real estate, and 5% bonds. But since I've been minimizing, I made some changes. Now my new pie consists of 90% stocks, 5% real estate, and 5% bonds. Now let's see how I perform this month. Let's go to my stocks first, which is 90% of my pie. Let's change this to month and see how we did. Alright, for you guys who are new to my channel, and for you guys who's been watching me, as you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. Let's go to my technology first. I believe this used to be 15% of my stock slice, but I made it to 25. Now let's see how I did on my technology. So for this month, NVIDIA, I gained $22.51, which is up 7.51%. Microsoft, I gained $23.84, which is up 11.29%. Skyworks, I gained $8.92, which is up 4.66%. So you guys can see all my tech stocks won this month. And of course, Microsoft and NVIDIA are always killing it. So for this month, my technology, I gained $46.50, which is up 5.26%. My earned dividends is 9 cents. Now let's go to my industrial, which is 15% of my stocks slice. For this month, Lockheed Martin, I lost $9.67, which is down 5.81%. Honeywell International, I lost 37 cents, which is down 0.28%. 3M, I lost $2.45, which is down 1.56%. Waste Management, I gained $1.10, which is up 1.13%. As you guys can see on my industrial, it says I gained $10.83 this month, which is 1.44%. It says I gained because I gained some money from the stocks that I sold. My earned dividends, by the way, for industrial is 37 cents. Now let's go to my consumer slice. So I used to have two pies, consumer defensive and consumer cyclical, but I just combined them and sell some of the stocks. My consumer consists 12% of my stocks slice. So as you guys can see, I only have 3 stocks now on my consumer. I used to have about 7 or 8 from my last videos in my consumer defensive and consumer cyclical. Or for this month, Procter & Gamble, I gained $4.69, which is up 2.51%. PepsiCo, I gained $2.03, which is up 99 cents. McDonald's, I gained $3.26, which is up 1.51%. For my consumer this month, I gained 9 cents, which is up 0.01%. My earned dividends is $1.36. This is not reflecting appropriately because of the stocks that I've sold. So I'm guessing I lost some money on some of the stocks that I've sold. That's why it says I only gained 9 cents from my consumer this month. Let's go to my finance, which is 10% of my stocks slice. So as you guys can see, I only have 2 stocks now. Last month, I used to have 5. I had Goldman Sachs, Royal Bank of Canada, and American Express. But since I'm minimizing, I've finalized it, and I'm only sticking with these 2. For my Visa this month, I lost 21 cents, which is down 0.13%. JP Morgan, I lost $5.10, which is down 4.06%. Overall, for my finance this month, I lost $1.91, which is down 0.38%, and I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to my communication, which is 8% of my stocks slice. For my communication, last month I had 3. I removed Activision Blizzard. Alright, for this month, Verizon Communication, I lost $3.87, which is down 2.72%. NetEase Corporation, I gained $7.76, which is up 8.81%. For my communication this month, I gained $7.31, which is up 2.78%. My earned dividends is 19 cents. Let's go to my last slice of my pie. So one of the changes that I made here is I used to have my energy and utilities slice, but I completely removed them. Alright, so let's go to healthcare, which is 5% of my stocks slice. So I only have one now. I used to have a United Health Group, but I recently sold that. Alright, so for this month, my healthcare, Johnson Johnson, I lost $15.73, which is down 5.10%. I know for this month, my healthcare says I lost $22.99. So the rest of the losses came from the United Health Group that I sold yesterday. So for my healthcare, I'm down 4.57%. My earned dividends is 92 cents. Now that we're done with my dividend stocks, let's go to my no dividend, which is now 25% of my stocks slice. This used to be 15%, but since my no dividend has been performing well, I wanted to capitalize on my strength. So this one, I used to have about 8 stocks last month, but I just minimized it to just 4 stocks, and these are the 4 stocks that I ended up with. Tesla, for this month, I gained $58.35, which is up 35.13%. Wow, that's a lot of gains for just this month. But you know, it's Tesla. It's been up. It's over $1,000 now, and I think Tesla has been unstoppable. And I believe Tesla will just keep going up. And I believe in the future, Tesla might actually pass Amazon. Amazon, I gained $23.98 this month, which is up 13.70%. Google, I gained $3.22, which is up 2.55%. Netflix, I gained $9.86, which is up 10.35%. I'm sticking with Netflix as one of my growth stocks just because it's just revolutionizing how we watch movies. And I heard the news that they might be buying AMC, so this may increase the stock price. So for my no dividend this month, I gained $117.95, which is up a whopping 13.88%. So that's a pretty good gain for this month. So as you guys can see, for this month, all my slices are pretty much winner except healthcare and finance. But hopefully they will do better next month. And of course, my highest earner is my no dividend, which has 13.88% return. Alright, for my stocks this month, I gained $128.19, which is 2.35% return. And my earned dividends is $4.89. I mean, this return is a pretty good return for this month. Now let's go to my real estate, which is 5% of my pie. Now for my real estate, I only have 2 stocks. I sold Tower and Public Storage. So for this month, my American Tower, I lost $1.99, which is down 0.64%. Digital Realty Trust, I gained $3.34, which is up 1.19%. So for this one, I know it should say I gained for this month, but from the 2 stocks that I sold, I lost money. That's why it's saying I'm down 7.73%. And my return is down 1%. So for my real estate, it's not that bad for this month. I mean, I'm only down 1%. My earned dividends, though, for this month is pretty nice, which is $5.17. Alright, now let's go to my last 5% of my pie, which is bonds. As you guys know, for my bonds, I only have Vanguard Total Bond Market, and it's been doing pretty well since I added this on my pie. So for this month, my Vanguard Total Bond Market gained $3.35, which is 0.67% return, and my earned dividends is 96 cents. So as you guys can see, my M1 Finance is getting boring compared to last month, from 48 holdings to 22 holdings. But like I said, I'm trying to put my money into good use. Since I'm not investing a lot of money, I want those $100 to $200 that I deposit every week to be invested in good stocks that I know that will produce good results. So that's pretty much why I did this minimizing. And I believe that it is important to diversify, but I believe that holding more stocks will give you more disadvantages instead of advantages. And hopefully this new minimized pie will give me a good result within the next few months. But as you guys can see now, my only loss this month is from my real estate, which is down $7.73. I mean, that's not a bad loss for a month. And as for my stocks, it's over 100. So for me, that's a really good gain. All right, so for this month, my money maker, I gained $123.81, which is 1.84% return. And my earned dividends is $11.02. So that's it for this month. Hopefully it will perform better next month, since I think I'm done editing my pie, and I think this is it. These are the 22 holdings in my pie that I really want. So just stay in tune in my channel. I give weekly updates and monthly updates. So I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.